This is a bit overdue, but I figure I'll show you my computer build. Now, I apologize for the video quality. I want to film this on a nice camera, but I didn't get around to doing that. It's filmed on a toaster. But anyway, let's take a look at my computer here. So here we go. We've got this is about a half-core CPU right there. I've got it overclocked right now. Gives me the processing speed to open about like 1 kilobyte per hour, which isn't bad. It's pretty fast. Works for what it's used for. It's not the best out there, but you know, it's pretty good. Right here, you can see I've got AT&T. I don't know what the hell they're doing in my computer because I use Verizon. Here, I've got my RAM. You can't really see it because these wires are in the way. They go in there. I'm not exactly sure where it goes. But here's my RAM. This chip right here is about 8 kilobytes of RAM. This one is about 7.9 kilobytes of RAM. So I'm almost running 16. That's not bad at all. Alright, give me a second. I just got to turn it around. Alright, so on this side, I don't even know what's over here. Oh shit. If you look over here, we got a couple of PCI slots. See, that's bent. Now, I put a video card in there and it didn't fit, so I pulled that out and it didn't run, so I hot glued it back in there. I didn't do the best job, but it still kind of works. Over here you got my hard drive. This thing holds about 20 megabytes, which is pretty good. Considering when I render out my videos, each frame is about 5. I can do almost 4 frames. And that's about it. I don't know what this does, so I don't touch it. Here's some wires. So let's turn it on. So it's running now. Here's the desktop. And if you know me, you know that I do a lot of the effects works or the video editing. So I'm in After Effects and Premiere a lot, so let's run that. I may have made a typo here. Let's try this again. So as you can probably see, I'm probably getting some System32 file. I can't show you how I edit today, so we'll have to do that a different day. Alright, so I just realized I did not show any of my video out ports in the back, so I thought you'd like to see that. So right here we got the mouse port and the keyboard port. Now this is state-of-the-art, top of the line. I can plug in both of them at the same time. We got sound, so you could plug in. Now I'm not exactly sure what this port is right here, but I can only assume that it is a newer version of HDMI set to come out sometime soon. This thing is so new that I've got ports on here. I don't know what they do. It's like USB 3.0. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Well, that is my machine.